How to add multiple Gmail accounts on your Android device. What's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to add multiple Gmail accounts on your device. Let's just get started. First off, open up Settings menu at the bottom of your screen. Once you open it up, scroll down until you find Account Management or something similar to that. I'll just go over to Accounts and Backups over here. Then just tap on Manage Accounts. Now here right at the very bottom, you can find the option to add account. So you can easily manage multiple Google accounts from here. Tap on add accounts. And from the list of all of these, you can just tap on Google. Then you need to verify that it's you. So provide fingerprint or just enter your PIN code. And then you'll be on this page right here. Basically enter your email address. Then you can just tap on next. And if it's a valid account, then you should be able to log into it after entering your password and verifying it. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.